Okay, boys, in this video, I'll explain to you how you can make basically unlimited content without having to do all of the content research, which can take a lot of your time. In this video, I'll show you how you can hire one VA, and the one VA will basically make content for all of your Instagram pages or TikTok pages. It doesn't really matter, because I get a lot of questions asking like, hey, so what's the structure like? Do you find the reels, or do the VAs find the reels to recreate, and how does it work? Well, usually I have one guy who finds all of the reels, like a trend hunter, and then he gives those reels to remake to the models. A very good tip is always try to have a niche Instagram page. That means you don't post 300 random types of reels. That's why you want to find one type of reel that works for your model and just make millions of versions. And in this video, I'll show you how you can easily make millions of versions from one reel. And also you can show this video to your VA so he can know how he can actually generate the content, so you don't have to explain it to him. So let's say you have one type of reel which works very well. What you want to do with that reel, like let's say it's a different model, right? You want to take that reel, you want to go, you can do it on any generating app, but I'm just going to explain it on Model Clone because I own it and I believe it's very easy to use. So if you're going to use something else like Higgsfield, just, use your brain to know how to do it on the other side. So what you want to do is first you want to go into the first frame extractor and paste the video here. You'll get the first frame. Then you want to go to create with avatar, click identity recreation, and here upload the first frame, and then click source and click generate. And this will generate the initial image which you will put into the motion control. So let's say you generate one picture which looks like this. Now once you have this picture, then your VA can go into Creator Studio. And here in Creator Studio, you can use, the best one for this is usually one or flux context max, and you'll just basically put in the picture here and type in a prompt like change outfit to gym clothes, and it will make a picture like this. Then you want to click new picture and do change clothes into lingerie, change picture into dress, or change her outfit into a hoodie, change her outfit into swimwear, and this is how you're gonna make the initial pictures with all of the types of clothes. Then next thing you want to do, you want to go and do change background location to pool, change background to kitchen, change background to car. That way you'll make another pictures for the same video. So basically, let's say from one video which you found, you made let's say 5 outfits, and then from all of the 5 outfits, if you do 5 backgrounds per outfit, that's 5 times 5, that's 25 pictures already. And then you can do scenarios, so you can change what she's gonna do, but this is more advanced. This is better for if you do multiple videos. We will just stick to the first 2. So that's how you basically, from one video, you can make 200 versions of the same video. And then once you have all of these pictures in one file, like in Google Drive, you want to go into create with avatar and use motion control. You can use Kling motion control anywhere you want, but it's pretty expensive, and we have our own motion control which also lets more naughty content to be generated. It's called Motion X, and it costs 6 cents per second, so it's cheaper than any Kling motion. And basically here your VA will upload the initial video he downloaded from Instagram, and here he will upload the first picture. He will click generate. Then he will upload here the second picture, click generate. Then the third picture, click generate. And that way he can make 100 reels from one reel which you found, which means it's very easy for you to find, let's say, 5 good trends, and then from those 5 trends you can make even 1,000 videos, if that makes sense. So it's way faster for you to actually make content. Now, if you do content where the girl talks, then you can also add in hooks, because in every business model, usually people test out multiple hooks to see what works the best. That way you can basically come and create multiple starting hooks via 11 Labs, for example, or even in our software you can make a voice too. There's a voice studio here, and you can make multiple hooks, and then you will just add the hook and add the second part of the video. Then again, add the second hook, add the part of the video again, and that way you can create unlimited content as well using hooks. Then there's multiple things like angles and scenarios, but I talk about motion control. For scenarios and angles, it only works if you're gonna do a prompting video, which is better for videos where you don't need to like recreate a different type of video. But basically, what I wanted to show you with this video is that you don't need to find millions of reels to trends to do, but you can basically find one good reel which works and then create unlimited content without having to think about it, what other video to make, which will make the content generation way faster. If you want to use our app, code YT10, you get 10% off. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on my Telegram, and don't forget to subscribe because I am putting out content which actually is valuable and helps a lot of agencies. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.